In this video, we will show you how to make a QR code for Google Form. To make a QR code for Google Forms, in here I already prepare my Google Forms. Then you need to get the links. To get the links, you need just click send button in here. And you can select the link and copy this. Then you need to go to qrcodegenerator.com. Okay, you can find on Google, and this is one of the best QR code generator sites. You can see the URL qr-code-generator.com, and you can select URL in here and paste your Google Form link. Then you can select the frames the best for you. This is free. Okay, for example, let's select this QR code and let's see this is works or not. I will scan this QR code using my smartphone. In my smartphone, I have QR code scanner. Let's click this QR code scanner and let's see it works or not. Okay, now you have successfully integrate your QR code with your Google Forms. Now after that, you can download your QR code in here. Okay, your QR code is being generated. Now you can download the file PNG or JPG here. I will click on my desktop and this is the results, and you successfully create QR code for your Google Forms. That's our tutorial how to make or create QR code for our Google Form. Hope this video helpful for you.